2,500.
Hello, everybody.
Temperature 25 Celsius. Dew point 12 Celsius.
All right.
Altimeter 2,995.
2,995 set.
Density altitude 2,300.
122.8. We're going to have 2275 in the standby.
Automated
We're Harry
weather
Cleaver Field at the moment.
2000 Zulu. Wind 260 at 12. Peak gusts 17. Visibility 10. Sky condition scattered 6,500. Temperature 25 Celsius. Dew point 12 Celsius. Altimeter 2,995.
All right, we're good on that. Got our heading indicators set here. Good. All right.
Harry Cleaver, 227 Romeo Fox, kind of back taxi to 33, Harry Cleaver.
Harry Cleaver traffic, Skyhawk 80871, back taxiing behind the Cherokee 6 to 33, Harry Cleaver. All right, off we go. We're at Harry Cleaver Field up in New Philadelphia, Ohio. My friend Steve just picked up his Cherokee 6, and we're about to fly back to Parkersburg, do a little formation flying in between here, get some on the GoPro. It's going to be some cool video for you coming up. Welcome aboard, everybody. My name is Isaiah, and it's a pleasure to have you along. Hope you're doing okay. Hope everyone's doing great, having a fantastic day. I know I am. It's a beautiful, gorgeous day out here. Let's check my camera here, see if it's where it should be. Yeah, it's about right. Maybe a little bit high. We'll see here in a second. Don't want to get too close to Steve. So you'll notice I'm flying from the right seat, and there is nobody sitting to the left. I'm currently working on my CFI rating. I have my check ride coming up here in September soon, so just trying to get as much right seat time as I can, especially when the airplane's empty. It's not a bad idea. All right, we're going up, do our little run up here. Got mine right over here. All right, let's get the checklist. Okay, we're on both. That's good. That's good. Flight instruments. Set. 29905. Mixture autopilot. We'll do the autopilot real quick. Simultaneously, we'll do our mixture and run up to 1700 RPM. Okay, there's our 1700. We'll do our check. Autopilot check. Good on the drop. Back to both. That's good. Check the other side. That's good. Autopilot's off. Flipping that off. Master off for that.
Harry Cleaver,
engine instruments.
Fox, ready to depart.
Everything's good. Good, good. Landing strips, strobes, carpet. All right. And 871's ready with you. All right. All right, locked.
Romeo Fox, right, departing 33, Harry Cleaver.
Alright, I'll get direct 2 in here. Harry Cleaver Field, Skyhawk 80871, lining up 133. Harry Cleaver. Alright, good. And Harry Cleaver traffic, Skyhawk 80871, departing runway 33, Harry Cleaver. Alright, away we go, increasing our throttle here. And instruments are in the green. Airspeed is not alive just yet. There it comes. Rotate. And And off we go. There's a little bit of wind there. Definitely some wind, that's for sure. All right. Woo! All right, guys. It's a beautiful day up here. I just have a surprising suspicion that I'm going to outclimb him just a little bit. And don't forget 7 Romeo Fox, 2275, whenever you're ready, when we're clear of the airspace. I'm going to tighten up here on you a little bit.
Do a full circle around. Like it. Affirmative on that 12275 there. 7 Romeo Fox.
Copy. And can you hear me there, Steve? So he's going to be faster than us, of course, because we're quite a bit slower. All right. Well, it is an absolute gorgeous day out here. Really, really something, that's for sure.
State Tower, Scarlet 17.
Yeah, that's about where we'd want it, almost.
Do a non-state practice headed to Marysville.
State practice Scarlet 7 is 3,300 feet, climbing 4,000 feet over the land bridge. We are going to make a turn to the west for a tour of the practice area.
State practice Scarlet 3 is over Sunbury, 5,088.
And 7 Romeo Fox, do you copy 871? Guess not. And 7 Romeo Fox, you still on the frequency? Romeo Fox, do you copy 871?
You there, Isaiah?
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, if you want to slow up just a little bit, I'll be coming off of your, I'll come off your left wing first here.
Sounds good. Climb up about 3,500.
Copy that. Alright guys, so we're about to do a little bit of formation flying today, although we won't get too tight since it is a little bumpy, but you guys will be able to see them off my right wing here, hopefully. Let me see where this camera's looking when I look that way. So, I need to get down. We'll see. Maybe we'll do the left wing. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what's what here.
State practice Scarlet 26, 2000, over Powell, heading northbound. State practice Scarlet 17, 2500 over the new bridge, headed to Marysville. State practice.
Doing about 100 to 105 indicated currently.
Okay, I'll slow down some more. I'm at 116.
Copy that. A little bit of bumps out today.
State Practice Scarlet 17, a mile to the west of the quarry, inbound headed Marysville, last call 2,500 feet. State Practice area, Scarlet 26, 2,500 over the Square Lake, heading east over to the land bridge.
State Practice Code 3, Sunbury 4000, Lazy 8.
State Practice Scarlet 7 is at 4,500, 2.5 to the south of Delaware. We are headed westbound for a tour of the west side of the practice area.
I'm starting to catch up to you a little bit.
I'm at 1723. It's
Yeah, you're always faster.
okay. Now I'm down to 106.
Cool. Actually, I'm going to come off your right wing instead because I just found out that the GoPro is not going to look with me looking off to my right, so it'll work looking off to the left.
Affirmative, off my right. Sit by my foot.
Alright, we're good on the pedals, controls, everything looks good on the airplane. Very good. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see them out there or not. Come back on our power here just a little bit. Temps and gauges, pressures, everything's good. Got a little bit of turbulence today. Make sure the seat belt's fastened up good in case we hit a big Are you hand flying at the moment or on autopilot?
Autopilot.
Copy that. Alright. About 200 feet behind you. Alright, so right now you can see no hands on the plane, plane's flying itself, maybe having to use a little bit of rudder to, but for the most part the plane's got, stability, it's trimmed out right now, perfectly fine. So the key to formation flying, guys, is, I haven't really done all that much in real life.
I got you.
Copy that. I've done it a lot on the sim, and actually the two are really darn similar. My sim even simulates turbulence, which is kind of cool.
Practice Scarlet 3 is 3
but
miles south of
the key is really picking a point on the aircraft that you're flying formation with, and having your hand on the throttle and being ready to move the controls. And sometimes you have to make very fast adjustments to be able to do that. Today we're not going to be able to fly a really tight formation, obviously, because of the turbulence that we're encountering. But we'll keep it somewhat a little bit tight here. We'll watch as we come on in here. I'm going to try and keep mine up above yours just a little bit. Let me do that, and we'll see how we do here. Give me 1 sec here.
Affirmative, I'm getting some good video of you right now.
Cool. Alright, so guys, I don't know if you can see the controls or not, but just doing quick little movements here, and that's what it takes, especially when you're in some bumps like this, and we're not getting super duper close. This is really cool. Alright. That's where we're going back to the right a bit. Come back down, there we go. Getting back over top here so I can see what I'm doing. Add a little bit of power. Coming off the power some more. Hopefully you guys can see this okay.
Oh, lovely.
It is indeed. I was just explaining, as you'll hear in my video here, explaining to them what it's like doing formation, and especially when you got the turbulence and trying to stay far enough away and whatnot. Thanks for sure formation flying. We'll wear you out quickly. You'll have to try this sometime instead of being lead. I'll tell you, it's a workout.
Bet it is.
So like right now, when I'm watching his aircraft, I'm looking right at the line of his door, where it comes in with the back window there, looking at that crack, kind of right on the door handle there. So right now I'm behind, so I'll add some power, add a little bit up the elevator, and just kind of watch the turbulence here.
Looks like I got a lot of reading to do up on these items, so.
Oh yeah, no doubt, you and me both. There we go.
Oil pressure's good though.
That's good. What's it reading right now?
69 PSI, it's in the green.
Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to fall back behind you here. I'm going to show these guys what wake turbulence is like.
That'll work.
Alright, so now we're going to get right behind them. And you guys are going to be able to see what wake turbulence is like, and also its prop wash effects on this aircraft. So right now, the airplane's wanting to yaw, it's wanting to roll. Get back up here. And especially the further out we get, the more pronounced it is. See how much aileron I'm having to add in. And it's really throwing me around. But this is what a wake turbulence encounter is like just on a small plane. So you can only imagine what this would be like on a large scale. It would flip the airplane right on over, because I'm getting wake off of his right wingtip right now, especially if I come back here a little further. And then it really gets bigger, and it'll really swirl you around. Right now I'm having to add some control inputs into it. Let's see if I can get in a better position here to catch it. There we go, right there. See that? Well, that wasn't really much of it. I'm gonna try and see that? Watch that. It'll roll the airplane right over, see? If it was strong enough.
Charlie 26, 3000.
So that was me not correcting for it. Let's try that again.
Level install.
See if it'll do it.
Stay practice code.
Right there we go. See that?
2 miles to
See
the
that?
northwest of
Uncommanded roll.
4000 northbound.
So kind of a cool thing to show you guys. Alright, I'm gonna come up on your right wing again here.
Affirmative.
We have the Lambert traffic in the site, Star 3.
Yeah, this is going to be a super cool video showing uncommanded roll and whatnot. It's pretty cool.
Neat. I need to do a course correction to probably 200.
Copy that. You just tell me which way you're going to bank and I'll follow.
Banking to the right.
Copy. Alright, there comes his bank. So my bank comes in. Add some more power here. Gauges are good. Alright, I'm going to fall off behind you again.
Sounds good. I'm going to play with the new toy here.
Copy that, go right ahead. Alright, let's see if we can get into his wake here again.
Safe practice area, Scout 5, entering the practice area from the south.
Come on down into it.
3,000 feet
See what
northbound,
happens.
give it a practice area tour, so I'm going to be heading towards the land bridge first, then swinging around.
There wasn't much of a wake there.
Make a big circle.
Oh well. Anyways, you guys get the idea. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set up for a regular cruise here, and then you'll probably power past me, I'm sure.
Safe practice area, Scout 26, 3,000, over the land bridge, practicing calls.
Popping the knuckles.
Yep, you're dropping by a good bit.
Oh yeah.
There is Scout 5 just to the south of the Square Lake, 3,100. We are heading towards the land bridge right now on a practice area tour. I will stay well to the south of the land bridge, kind of over the south end of Alum Creek, and then we'll move around you guys. I got you guys in sight, 526.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm at 2323, cruising at 130 knot ground speed.
Copy that. Yeah, I'm doing about 110 maybe.
Safe practice, Scarlet 7. We are to the west.
I'm going to go ahead and turn the other pilot on.
Towards 3342.
Go ahead and get our heading mode set up here, and when we're leveled out, we'll give our gyro spin here to the left just slightly. Perfect. And we'll go ahead and flip on heading mode. Voila! Alright, now you guys can take in the sights. Got a beautiful lake down below there.
Safe practice Scout 3 is the north tip of Elm Creek at 3,000 westbound. We're doing a lazy 8.
Of course, we're way slower than he is at the moment. Beautiful up here. Whew. All right. Say hey on Snapchat. A little bit of turbulence here and there.
Okay, practice car 7 over 3342, 3,000 feet, stalled.
Still on there, Steve?
Affirmative.
What's she burning right now per hour?
15,
And what power settings again?
23, 23.
Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all.
Normally it's 16.
Cool.
The second cylinder, the same as always, even with the old engine monitor, is still the highest one.
Huh, interesting. Oh, it's nice to have an autopilot. So we don't have a altitude hold, but this airplane's so easy. You just trim it.
Take back there, South 5 miles to the south of the land bridge. We're at 2,200 and heading out to 2,000. Going to be going around the north side of the
We're going to dial in 23.7 here.
Practice car 3 is 2 miles north of the 3,000, lazy 8.
Check out Sarah. GoPro battery's still on.
Stay practice car 3 over the alley mall 3,500 turning westbound.
Whoa.
Isaiah, switching frequency, going to check in Parkersburg.
Copy that. Same here. Alright. There we go.
Parkersburg Airport information, Golf 2000 Zulu weather. Wind 300 at 12, visibility 10, a few clouds at 6,500. Temperature 27, dew point 11, altimeter 29er. Visual approach is in use, landing at departing runway 21. Advise you have Golf.
Information Golf current. And Parkersburg Tower, Skyhawk 80871's 14 to the north with Golf inbound, and we'd like to request 28 also if possible.
Cessna 80871, report right base, runway 28.
Right base for 28871.
Parkersburg Tower, 627 Romeo Foxtrot, 3 mile right base for 28.
Romeo Fox, runway 28, cleared to land, wind 260 at 12, gusts 17.
Cleared to land, Romeo Fox.
Gust 17, cool. Should be a fun landing. Definitely bumpy out today, that's for sure. Alright, now we'll come on down to our 1800 or so here. Perfect. Alright, landing checklist. Mixture's going rich. Fuel selectors on both. Seats, seat belts. Flaps will get a little bit. Landing checklist complete. And if we want to look at it here, of course it's going to add autopilot off, a couple other things. Seats, fuel selector, autopilot, landing lights, so we don't have that on. Mixture, airspeed, yep. All good. There he is, on short final. And Parkersburg Tower, 871 on right base for 2A.
One runway 28, clear to land, wind 290 at 13.
Clear to land runway 28, 871. Alright, get our flaps on.
Runway Fox, turn right next taxiway and then taxi via Golf and Echo to the ramp.
Yeah, very good.
Golf Echo to the ramp, Runway Fox.
Alright, now we're on the approach. We're gonna probably not go right about 60 since we have a little bit of wind today. Alright, good rolling on final. We're high, which is what I like to be.
Parkersburg Tower, hello, volunteer 3406 on and entering a left downwind runway 21.
Volunteer 3406, cleared to land runway 21, wind 270 at 13.
Clear to land runway 21, volunteer 3406.
Definitely high and fast, that's for sure. There we go, that'll fix that. Well, that was a little bit of a bouncer there, wasn't it? Yes, it was. Not a good landing for me at all. Oh well. Alright, flaps are up. Doors open.
So say 71, turn right next intersection, then taxi via Golf and Echo to the ramp.
Right next intersection, Golf and Echo to the ramp, 871. Alright, strobe lights coming off. Mixture's lean, our flaps are up. Doors and windows are open. A little bit of wind there, not too much, but just a little bit. This airplane always seems to take a lot of right pedal when we're taxiing for some reason. Alright. So we got enough room bringing it over there. We'll do that very carefully. There on that side. I don't know if it's straight or not. I don't know. We'll see. Alrighty, guys. Alright, we're back. Back in Parkersburg. It's locked in place, master. Flags are off. Alright. Alright, sounds good to me.